So Holger, it seems like the topic of user experience in HCM has been around since forever. Where do you see people really paying attention right now to user experience for HCM applications?
I mean, we're at the cusp at making the user interaction more human, right? It's fascinating that we work with keyboards, and keyboard layout is determined by gravity to make us type slower, right? What kind of human experience is that, right? We use the mouse to click, and now we've moved over some smartphones to touch, which replaces the click, and to talk instead of using the keyboard. But the next thing will be to augment reality, to see things, because we effectively are walking 3D computers in the real world, right? We can directly assess what's happening, right? You won't even flinch if I do this because you know I can't reach you, right? I can't reach you because we know that. And in the two-dimensional part of showing business content, business reality is really, really cumbersome for people.
So do you see a change happening in terms of UX away from being so focused on the glass and more to the interaction?
Yeah, hopefully, definitely, right? So whoever wins for the first time to show business content in 3D, which we can process so well, is going to be a big winner in the whole enterprise automation space. And then closer to that, of course, is to make it consistent, right? We've been talking about dynamic design across our smartphones, our tablets, our PCs since a long time. Very few people have reached to that point that no matter which device I use to get my information, I know where things are, I know how things look, I know how to use things consistently, so I can do my work instead of like struggling with the mechanics of a UI.
So how important do you think UX is in terms of thinking about the productivity of an employee within an organization?
It's everything, because in an HR system, you keep people from their real work, right? Nobody, except if they're HR people, does work in the HR system. They do it because they want to get their business done. And if the UI doesn't work, they can't find where things are. They're kept away from their real work, which is really expensive, could be even dangerous in some cases.
Right. So if you think about where we should be going next in terms of HR applications for user experience, what would you say are the top priorities?
Helping the employee, right? Look at where's the biggest bang for the buck, where there's the most people, the most common transactions. Next, help the manager, enable the business users to do their job. In the ideal world, they don't even know that they're using the HR application.
Sounds great. Thank you.